How I get to work. My name is James. I'm 28 years old. I live in the city in a small room. I work in a big office. I work in a city office building. I have to work during the week. This is how I get to work. I get up at 6 o'clock a.m. every day. My alarm clock is going off. Beep, beep, beep. I look around. I'm tired, but I get up. For 1 minute, I sit on my bed. After that, I get up. I go to the bathroom on foot. I clean my teeth. I wash my face. I wash up. It's warm in there. I like getting warm in the morning. I use a towel to dry off after taking a shower. After that, I dressed. For work, I put on a shirt, pants, and shoes. I wear a tie sometimes. I want to look nice at work. I go to the kitchen after getting ready. Breakfast is something I always do. Breakfast makes me feel good. Every day, I eat toast and eggs. I also have a lot of coffee. I wake up with coffee. I eat an apple or a banana every once in a while. I like eating good food. I look at the time while I eat. I see the wall clock. I have to leave at 7 a.m. I'll be late for work if I leave late. I get my bag after breakfast. I take a look at my cash, phone, and keys. After that, I leave my room. Every day, I walk to the bus stop. 2 blocks away from my flat is the bus stop. I go down the street. I see other people walking too. Some people ride bikes. Some people take their dogs for walks. I enjoy going for a walk in the morning. The air is clean. The sky is blue. I see birds and trees. I say good morning to my neighbors sometimes. They give you a smile and say good morning. I get to the bus stop. I'm ready for the bus. I look at my phone. I check the time. The bus comes at 7:15 a.m. most of the time. The bus comes. It stops right in front of me. The door is open. I board the bus. I greet the driver good morning. The driver laughs. I pay with a card. After that, I find a place. There are lots of people on the bus. A few people listen to music. Some people read books. Some people look through the window. I'm sitting by the window. I enjoy looking out the window. The bus goes all over the city. Stores, parks, and houses are what I see. People are walking on the streets. There are cars and bikes on the road. It's quiet on the bus. I'm calm. The bus comes to a stop near the train station every 15 minutes. I get off the bus. I go into the station on foot. I go down the stairs. This is where I wait for the bus. The subway moves quickly. It goes down into the ground. To get to work, I take the T. The bike goes faster than the bus. I'm waiting on the level. The train is coming. It sounds very loud. Whoosh! The train comes to a stop. The doors are open. I move on. I'm on the bar. The train goes quickly. I see the signs. I know when to leave. It takes me 10 minutes to get to my stop. I get off the train. I go to the street by going up the stairs. I'm almost at my job now. I walk for 5 more minutes. A coffee shop, a magazine, and a bakery are all around me. I can smell new bread. That smell is nice. There are times when I buy coffee at a coffee shop. I can see my office. It's big and clear. I go to the door. I show my ID badge. He greets you with good morning. I greet them with good morning back. The lift takes me to the 10th floor. I press the button. Ding. The door opens. I walk in. I press 10. The lift goes up. It's quiet and smooth. On the 10th floor. I go to my desk. I say hello to the people I work with. I turn on my computer when I sit down. My workday starts. It's always the same way for me to get to work. It's easy for me to get around. It rains sometimes. After that, I carry an umbrella. It snows sometimes. I dress in a warm coat and boots. I listen to music on the bus when I'm tired. I rest and close my eyes. I look out the window and enjoy the ride when I'm happy. I like seeing the city early in the day. Some people don't like going to work. People say the traffic is bad. Some people say it takes too long, but I don't mind. I like my trip in the morning. I see a lot of people. I can see the city getting up. I consider my day. I can think while I'm on my way to work. I make plans for my work. I know what I need to do. When I get to work, I feel ready. I ride my bike sometimes. I like riding my bike to work on nice days. I have a hat on. I stay in the bike lane. I go by rivers and parks. The wind is blowing my face. It takes me 30 minutes to ride my bike. It's good for you. When I ride, I feel strong and good. My bike is parked close to work. I close it and go inside. I drive my car sometimes. I don't want to wait for the bus when it's really raining or snowing. I take my car to work. It's fast to drive, but I need to park. It's hard to park in the city. It also costs money. I listen to the radio while I drive. I enjoy hearing the news. I sing songs sometimes. A lot of cars are going by, but I stay relaxed. It's how I get around most days. It is simple and doesn't cost much. Don't worry about where to park. On the way, I can read or take a break. That's fine with me. It gets me ready for the day. I always go home the same way I came. At night, the city has a different look. There are lots of lights. People leave. Some people eat dinner out. I take the train again after work. I'm waiting on the level. The train shows up. I move on. I'm tired and happy at the same time. I consider what I will eat for dinner. I feel like taking it easy at home. I get off the train and take the bus now. I'm sitting by the window. I look outside. The sky is pink and orange. The sun is setting. I get off the bus. I go back to my place on foot. The air feels cool. I'm fine. I let them in. I'm at home. This is how I get to work. It's simple, but it's what I do every day. I like going for walks, taking the bus, and taking the train. I see many things. I find out a lot. It's kind of the same and different every day. I get up, get ready, and head to work. It makes me who I am. Thanks for reading my story. List of words: get up, stand up, toothbrush, take a bath, put on clothes, have breakfast, toast, coffee, fruit of the banana, apple, bag, purse, bus stop, a subway, take the train, move on, leave, pay, driver, take a seat, take a look outside, station, platform, building with offices, desk, co-worker, get on a bike, helmet, drive, crowds, routine for parking radio, commute, breathe, go home, leave and go home.